What is up? What is up, YouTube? I thank you guys for tuning in to Credit and Lifestyle One-on-One. Today we're going to be talking about how to get approved for a car loan and how to get approved for a car loan if you have bad credit. So, one of the main things that you have to focus on when you're going to apply for a car, one of the key factors that determines you getting a car loan is your credit. Your credit score is one of the biggest factors. It determines if you will even get the car loan, for one. It determines if you need a co-signer for the car loan, and it also determines the interest rates that you're given on your car loan. So you want to make sure that your credit is in check, make sure that your credit is good. So one of the main places that I say that I would definitely not go to finance a car is the car dealership. Do not go to the car dealership when you're looking to finance a car. That should be the ultimate last resort. The car dealership, they're full of salesmen. So really what that person care about are their sales. They're not there really to assist you and help you. So where I would go to is the bank. I would go to the bank first to apply for the car loan, and then I would take my loan to the car lot, because you have to go to the car dealership to get your car, of course. I mean, where else are you going to get your car? But I wouldn't go there to finance my car. A really good bank that I would like to say is pretty fair is Capital One. Capital One are usually pretty good with helping people with average credit scores get credit cards, and helping those with average credit actually get cars as well. So I would try Capital One if, I had maybe a medium score or in the middle score. That's what I would try. If you have a credit score that is less than stellar, I would say going to a credit union. A credit union is more likely to help you out with getting a car before a bank would. A credit union is like a bank, but it's more of a non-profit organization. So they're a little bit more lenient when it comes to giving car loans. So first you just have to make sure you open up you an account with that credit union and keep you a little bit of money in that credit union. You don't want to have $14 in a credit union. They're like, okay, how can we lend them a car when they don't have any money? So you want to keep you some money inside of the credit union. Another thing that you can do is you can get a co-signer. You can get you someone who has, good credit, great credit, perfect credit, or credit that's pretty good. It could be maybe a parent or maybe a friend. Just someone who you trust, or someone who trusts you to co-sign for you a loan. That's another way that you could get a loan with bad credit. But usually those credit unions, they will, help you out as long as you have the things that are needed. For one, you have to have proof of income. You have to have some type of job or some type of income. You want to have proof of that. If you have pay stubs, that'll help. Sometimes they want you to have 2, and sometimes they may need you to have 3. Then they also want you to have bank statements, so make sure you have your bank statements. Make sure you have proof of an address. They're going to ask you how long you've been at your address. So you don't want to say, oh, I've been there 1 month, or, a month before here I was here, and a month before here I was here. They want to make sure that you have stability, and they want to know that if they need to track you down, that they can track you down. So that's basically that. If your credit is not good, make sure you go to your credit and check for errors. If you have any errors that's on your credit report, make sure you work to remove those. They say 79% of credit reports have had at least an error on them. I will place in the comments other videos that you can look at to work on to improve your credit. So make sure you visit the videos in the link below. And I thank you guys for joining this video. If you like the information that I share, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and tap that bell so you can make sure you get notifications every time I post a new video. As you guys know, I like to provide you with a video every week, so I will see you guys next week. bye.